Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another subscription box from Czech Beads Exclusive, also known as Craftica. And in case you're interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below the video. So let's see what this month's theme is. I should probably try this with a knife. Let's see, what's the theme? What's it going to be? Okay, summer vibes. Oh boy. Sounds exciting to me, and I like this color mix on the thing right here. Kind of makes me want to put it up there on my shelf for inspiration. It's a pretty color mix. Alright, so scissors, 14 items in the box, but it's broken down into lots. I see 2 lots there, 3 lots there. So let's go ahead and go through it and see what we got. We have melon beads, which are gorgeous. They're opaque, which is my favorite. I love opaque beads. I prefer them over transparent beads. And the reason why is because you can see the string going through the bead, which sounds really weird, but I don't know, that's just me. These are gorgeous, and man, these would look amazing. And that mermaid bracelet that I did a video on, I used melon beads, and those ones were actually transparent purple with copper on them. But these here, they would look awesome in that too. I really, really like those. Yeah, I would buy these in a heartbeat. What's next? Then we have some oval, transparent, acid washed. AB finishing this side. Wow, these look so cool. It actually looks like something you would find in the ocean. Those are really neat. I like both sides. And you know, we could make a ring out of them. I have video tutorials where I take beads just like this and I make them into rings. And by the way, I did a ring video. I've uploaded one yesterday, and I went to the playlist because I realized I forgot to add that ring to my playlist of rings, and I have 65 ring tutorials. That is crazy. I thought that I had just hit like 50, but no, I have 65 ring tutorials. That is a ton of rings. So if you've been watching my videos forever, you probably know about a lot of them, but if you want, you can go to my YouTube channel and you'll see the top bar playlist. Go there, and then you'll see where I have all of my videos organized for you guys, so it's easy to find things. You'll see bracelets, necklaces, earrings, beaded rings. I also have like miscellaneous beaded things where I've made a beaded cell phone purse thing, and I've done beaded flip-flops, headbands, hair barrettes. I make all kinds of different things. But anyways, I like to organize my videos for you guys so you can easily find what you're looking for, and all you gotta do is go to my playlist and you'll see all my stuff organized for you. These are so gorgeous. They're really delicate. They are really pretty. I like those a lot. There's a lot of neat charms at Czech Beads Exclusive. I like those. I like those a lot. What's next? Oh, these beads. These are so strange. I don't remember what they're called. It kind of looks like a feather to me. It's a drop. It's kind of like a dagger. I've used these in my tutorials, but I forgot what they're called. I don't think it's a leaf. Isn't it some kind of a feather? They're really strange. They're actually curved too. But these would work in my beaded flowers, but in the past I've used them for drops. Or dangles on a pendant is what I did. Oh my gosh. These are epic. I love these so much. You know, I used to think that the best Czech flower was the table cut Hawaiian flower. But I think these are my new favorite because they are so detailed. Look at that. The little polka dots on the petals, the center. It kind of looks like a sun there. They're just so gorgeous. Right there's the hole. I love these. I've used these a couple times in my videos. I did a pink one in a recent video. What was that necklace I did? I did it on the side of the necklace. I'll put a picture of it up. And then we have these. Oh my gosh, I like these a lot too. These would be cute in a macrame bracelet as a centerpiece. Right now I'm working on a crazy macrame bracelet. It's like the most advanced macrame piece I've ever made. Hopefully I have enough cord for it, but I'm kind of wondering if I should do a video on it or not, because it's like gonna be a lot of work. It's a lot, but it's cool. I was just thinking about working on it a little bit with you guys and just showing what I'm doing, and not actually doing a tutorial, but just like showing some of the knots that I'm doing it, because it's so crazy. I feel like it is for me to start at the beginning and go through the whole bracelet making it. And maybe what I can do is I can make one and make one that's almost complete, and then show how to start the bracelet and do the knots that you need to make it, and then go to the other one and finish it that way. I don't know. I have to figure it out. It's a lot of work. So here are some 3mm. This, I want to say that this is Labrador, but actually I think it's the other one because there's purple in it. So see how it has silver in it, like it's Labrador. It'd be half Labrador, but there's actually purple in it. So this is called another color. I think it's called Halo or something. I have this color in petal beads. Yes, there's purple in it. Do we see the purple? I don't know if that's showing up on my camera or not. It's very pale purple. It's like lavender. Am I ever going to get these back in the bag? You don't want to be bagged. I want to be free. Did I get them all? Yeah, okay. No way. Is there more of those flowers? Oh my gosh, they are so big. So just like the Hawaiian flowers, these come in a bunch of different sizes. Look at the sizes there. This is the only size I've used them in so far. But these here are huge. They're so big. And it's a gorgeous color. It's not transparent. It's a milky one. It's like a milky blue, but it's matte. These are gorgeous. I love those. I wonder if I could do a ring with them. What would that be like? I think I could actually do a wire wrapped ring, but you know I'm a chicken and I'm afraid that I would crack the bead, because whenever I've made rings with glass beads, wire rings, I usually break the bead. It cracks on me. I have to use a softer wire so it doesn't happen. What's next? Tassels. Bunch of tassels. Tassels are so popular, and it's weird because if you go back and look at my videos, I started doing tassels in jewelry several years ago, and I remember I told my sister that I had an idea to use tassels in jewelry, that I don't really ever see tassels in jewelry, and I googled it and I found very few people doing it, and she was like, I don't know, it's kind of weird, and I'm like, well, I like it, I think it looks cool. So I did it, and my video got a lot of attention, and it almost seems like I started a trend. I don't know. I was kind of wondering if I started the tassel jewelry trend, because it seemed like nobody was doing it until I started doing it. And I'm not trying to sound boastful or anything, but I just think it's a little strange. You know what I'm saying? This is cool. I wonder what this is called. It kind of looks like rainbow iris, but it's matte. And then it's over a transparent bead, which sort of has like a silver look to it. Those are cool. I like these. What does it look good with? I think I like it with those. You know, these flower beads are super pricey, especially the Hawaiian ones, man. Is this the same as that? These have more gold in them. Like twice as much gold. And the product code is different. So maybe they're not the same. I still like them. They are gorgeous. What's next? Is there more flowers? Ooh, teardrops. These are so pricey. I have these teardrops the same size, but mine are red Picasso and turquoise Picasso. I have them in 2 different colors, and they were so expensive when I bought them. Oh my gosh. They're like some of the priciest teardrops. I don't know why they're so expensive. And I actually wonder if they went down in price, because when I bought mine, I got them when they like first came out and everybody was using them in the beading magazines. They're so cool. I love those. And these will work in my beaded flowers, by the way. They're really chunky. What's this? No. A Czech rose? What? Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've ever seen these. The color is epic. It's like silver and white, but then it kind of looks blue to me. I don't know if you're seeing it on the camera, but it has like a blue look to it. And the hole is right there. Those are so cool. I like these a lot. Actually, I think I'm going to go onto their site and put the product code in and see what that color is called, because I think it's pretty neat. And then we have some more oval beads. These are cool. There was a necklace that I got in the bohem style box that had this color. It's a transparent acid wash bead with this color on it. On all the beads. That was a cool necklace. It's really neat. Look at that. It's like red. Is it green? Is it yellow? Is it orange? There's orange too. And then we have some more melon beads. That's a cool color. What is that? What? It's kind of like these, but there's gold in the details. Looks like. Yes? Or is it yellow? I can't tell if it's gold or yellow. I want to say it's yellow. But those are cool. I like those a lot. And then we have 3mm Czech fire polish beads. It's a matte silver color. I actually don't know what this matte silver color is called. It's not Labrador, it's different. And then we have, what's this? Gold ear wires. I have so many ear wires, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. And these, which I love. I love this kind of stuff so much. So, is this the same as this? This one actually has a metallic look to it. I'm seeing like a bronzy gold in it. And I know that they do put silver and gold in Picasso finishes, because I bought some from Czech Beads Exclusive that have it. And I don't mean like this. I mean like, I bought these 3mm, it was a dark blue Picasso that had silver in it. Those were cool. I'm going to open these. I think that I have this finish in a 3mm, no, it's 4mm Czech truck. They're cool. Okay, what do I have left? One bag? Rondelles. Oh, these are neat. Oh, they're coated like that. That's it, yep. Okay. So these have these really neat coating on them, where the middle of the bead is not actually coated all the way. Do you see that? And I can't tell if they're clear or black with the coating on them. I like these rondelles a lot. I've been using them. I've gotten them a few times from the subscription, and I've made several different things in them. They're really awesome for weaving because they're kind of like seed beads in a way, and they're perfectly uniform, and they work great in weaving projects. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to go through everything and I will be back. I laid everything out and I'm going to go over it with you guys. Number 1 on the list is lovely flower beads, 18mm, teardrop beads, 12 by 16mm, nice rose beads, 16mm, pumpkin beads, 8mm, 3 lots, 1, 2, 3, and then these here are cute flower beads, 14mm, and then there's oval beads, 18 by 13mm, 2 lots, and then there is rondelle beads, 4mm by 2.5mm. Isn't that a strange size? And then there is birdwing beads, 5 by 17mm, and nice fire polish beads, 3mm, 3 lots, so 1, 2, 3. And then there are cute tassels, 25mm, unique rose charms, 16mm, fire polish beads, 4mm, ear hooks, 20 by 17mm, and lovely leaf charms. So this is it. If there is something here that you would like me to work with, please leave me a comment down there if there's something you would like me to play with here. Right now I have no idea what I'm going to make. I really love, my favorite things in the box are these flowers. I love those. I love the roses. I love the teardrops. I love the melon beads. Those are awesome. I love these. But right now I have no idea what I should make. Should I try to do earrings maybe? Because I have ear wires. And I just did a ring video. It seems like earrings is the thing that I don't make as often. I love doing bracelets, rings, and necklaces. Those are my favorite. So anyways, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down there telling me what bead you would like me to work with here, and I'll read your comments and figure out what to do. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will put the link for the subscription box down there below the video in the description bar in case you want to get it for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.